to Active Outdoors. Today we're going to be perch fishing. Stay tuned.
Small ice fishing jigs with Gulp Alive soft plastic minnows. Two in a row. And when you're fishing these Gulp Alive minnows, you want to be about 6 inches off bottom for the perch and just light finesse twitches, because it makes that minnow go up and down very slowly, which agitates them. I feel like these jigs would be too big for today, ices and stuff, so I think I'm going to go downsized into teardrop or just these little sized jigs. Just changing up the style. I mean, a lot of people don't think it, but color, size, everything in your presentation, presentation matters to the fish. Just like black licorice or Trails in 307, which is a white-tailed deer hunting scent to attract bucks and does. I mean, it's just like this. Someone sprayed them with Pam and dumped that scent all over them.
They're definitely worth giving a try.
Yeah. I mean, every area is different on how the fish react, but you can see that, like, not even 2 foot down. Small little baby perch. Farm pond. Oh, that was a bluegill.
Was it?
Yeah.
Transplanting worked?
Yep, that was a bluegill. He spit it out, but he came up the hole.
It worked. I'm amazed.
I just decided to switch up to using that same little squid. These have seemed to work the best, we found out, but on this small little treble hook, and normally, which is a terrible idea for perch, but I got a couple of these and I wanted to give them a try, so that's what I'm doing. We moved our spot. I will be switching to one of those. One of these jig I think I'm gonna go with the redhead with that chartreuse body. camera for some reason got shut off, but I did just catch a nice little baby rock bass.
As far as we know, it's a lot of big fish are moving in from the left.
Just a small rock bass. I guess there's a lot more of these in here than we really thought.
Help me out with this thing. Yeah, ow, yeah, really. Woo, finally got a nice perch out of this pond. Proves that there are some decent ones in here.
Yep. Finally, better sized perch out of the pond.
Not a bad area. I think they're.
Definitely, you can feel it's full of eggs.
Yep, this looks like it's a better style area over on this side of the pond for bigger perch over here. And there are fewer on the side, but it looks like there is bigger fish over towards this side of the pond.
Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to be notified when all the new videos come out, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you.